So is tax still the number one reason why people are moving to Dubai? No, I don't think so. And why? I'm going to tell you in this video. So watch to the end to find out why it's not the number one reason why people are moving to Dubai. So if you've never experienced Dubai, first of all, you need to come here. Enjoy a couple of days. That's enough. And you will see the difference of living in your home country. And it doesn't matter where you are located. If you are in Miami, in Los Angeles, in Berlin, in Paris, in London, in Liverpool, in Shanghai, in Hong Kong, or Seoul, it doesn't matter. You will see with your own eyes why Dubai, and I mean Dubai, I don't mean the country, I mean Dubai, is the number one. And it's going to stay the number one, and it's going to become the number one in everything. Why? Because it's thriving. First of all, it is one of the safest places in the world. You will see it with your own eyes. People don't even close the doors at home or the car. Me too. The car is always open. The weather is crazy. Most of the time, blue sky. Of course, now we have summer, June, July, August. It's very hot, but you get used to it. And we work a lot. And we have ACs everywhere. So it's also okay. It's like if you're in your home country, in Europe, if you're from Sweden or Germany, most of the time it's cold, rainy, and stormy. So do you go out a lot in that weather? No. Same here. If you can go out because it's still always light and it's warm, but you have places to go where there's AC. See the difference? Their lifestyle, you have nice beaches, nice restaurant. The service is one of the best in the world. Just example, you go into the mall, Dubai Mall, and you go into the supermarket. It's so nice. It's so friendly. A lot of Philippines working there. Going to Sephora, going to the shop and Boss and H&M, Prada. All the people are friendly, they're helpful, and you see a lot of people want to help you in the sales department. I know when I was in Milano a few weeks back, last year in Germany, in Hamburg, my home country, my hometown, you go into Sephora in Douglas, there's one person working there, one person behind the till. So how can that person support you? And that was in the city center. Unbelievable. The thing is, if you have never experienced Dubai, you won't know. I know I will get haters on this video, but you have to find out yourself to see the difference. And then you can give your opinion. And it's fact. It is fact. The thing is, what a lot of countries and cities, politicians, they have to come here to see it from their own eyes. And why don't they bring that which is here, which they do good, into the home country? The thing is, they don't. Everyone is fighting and complaining and arguing about each other. But not in UAE, not in Dubai. Here, they just focus on what they can do better, become better, and improve all the time. And that's why we people love it here. That's why we stay here. That's why I always stay here, and I open another business, real estate company, a couple of months back, Very Properties. If I wouldn't believe in the city, if I wouldn't be happy, why would I do it? It make no sense. I have a company in Germany. I do e-commerce. I could stay there. I could live there. A happy life, boring life, or extraordinary life. It depends. I can live anywhere if I want to. But I choose to be here. It is the number one. Once again, for example, if you are wanting to open a company, it's a very easy, smooth process. Yeah, you save a lot of taxes, but keep in mind, depending on what business you're doing, you can do a business here in the UAE. Depending on the activity business you're doing, you can struggle. It's very, very hard because there's so many competitors. But if you're doing, for example, some consultation, some online business where you have clients around the world, then of course it's much, much easier for yourself because maybe you already have the client base and you are getting the money in for your company. Then you're paying everything below 100,000 euro is a 0%. You reduce that, of course, also by even paying less taxes out if you're coming above 100,000, paying yourself salary and you have expenses, so you can still have 0%. But it's not always the main aspect why now people are moving here. Of course, people who have never been here, they say this. They don't know about Dubai. They say about other countries, 0% people are leaving. They're not good enough. But the thing is, ask yourself this. Would you be able, if you can save some money, which you can use for yourself, your family, for your investment, for your future, for your business, do that? 100% you would do that. 100%. Look at the big companies in the world. Everyone knows them. What are they doing? People don't talk about that. You don't know about these things. But they have companies in places where they also save taxes and they're making profits without end. Everyone would do that. Even business owners, they have their own businesses in any other country. They always find ways how they can also reduce and pay like that. Because how can you build something up if you don't have ways that you can save some money? Because the expensive and everything else is very, very high. As a business owner, for example, if you're in Germany, you're paying 20 to 40%. So it's hard to really compete, and if you have salaries to pay out, you're paying a lot of fees out there as well. So it's hard. It is like this. If you're not a business owner, you won't know. You would just give your comment below and say, this is taxes and you're not doing it right. Become a business owner and move to a different country, build something there, and see how much money you got yourself. Then you can talk about that. And it's fact. It is like that. Here, doing business, it's a Champions League. It's, my sense, one of the hardest places to do business, because in Dubai, we have about 4 million people. Competition is very, very high. People moving here from Europe, they do struggle in the beginning because they don't put in the work. They get blinded from the lifestyle. And some people have to move back. Of course, we don't talk about these things, but people do move back. It is like that. It's just a fact. It's hard. But if you can compete, you are really growing as a personality. You can become better and everything is possible. Or you can just move here and you can live somewhere else in Asia, have a nice life, receive the money here, everything officially, legally, and just come in one time a year. Travel the world how you want. Everything is possible. So it's the reason why everyone is moving to Dubai, why it's not always the reason of the taxes. There's many aspects of the lifestyle, the safety, the weather, the people. It's driving forward. You can do good investments in property. Now they're also starting the Trump Tower. So you can see there's some big name players who are seeing about this potential, what you can really do here. And it's very digitalized. So they're even putting always new rules in. But without rules, something wouldn't function. If you're from UK or you're from Spain or Scandinavia, look what's going on in the country. Answer that yourself. You will know why people are relocating to other places where they can have a happy lifestyle, and they are still having a business in their home country, but they're relocating fully to Dubai or anywhere else. There's many places where you can relocate. It's not just Dubai, but you can find it out yourself, what you can do, where you can go. It just depends on the aspects. It's all up to you. It's all options. We are free to choose our own life, where we want to live, where we want to work. You can come here with your family. You can come here yourself. You can work remotely for your UK company and work and live here. Make your agreement with them. So there's different options you can go with. The property market, for example, it's thriving. There's hundreds of developers on the market where you can invest in properties, or you can buy a secondary property, rent it off. And the thing is, the demand is high. UK is now number 2, people moving here. China is number 1 now. And we see that ourselves. There's so many Asian people moving here. Why? Because they see the potential of also opening a company here, and they like these skylines. So everything is possible. So if you have never experienced it, just come here for a few days. And don't think Dubai is just bling bling and expensive. You can find a cheap flight. You can stay in a affordable accommodation just for a few days, and you will have I will promise you, a nice service, which you won't get in any other place in the world where you're going to. If you go into America or some European hotels, you won't get that service. You won't get the quality of food. 100%. I've been to many places around the world. I've been to US on a California trip, and the motels paid a lot of money, and I can tell you, sorry to say that, they were crap. The food was crap, expensive, dirty, just not good enough. That price getting here, it's a 5-star hotel, 100%. Come here and you will see it with your own eyes. So if you need any guidance or consultation, you are freely happy to book in a call with myself. You can send us a WhatsApp on our central number. We're happy to help you 7 days a week. And we also have an office in Business Bay. And if you'd like to see any other video, just comment below, share this video, subscribe to our channel, because this will help us to spread Emirates business setup. Stay tuned for the next video.